Hey there, welcome back to Automated Word. Today we're diving into the coolest, smartest, and most wanted tech gadgets you can grab in 2025, all available on Amazon. Whether you're a productivity junkie, a home automation lover, or just someone who loves future tech, this one's for you. Let us kick things off with a gadget that's turning every desk into a smart command center, a multifunctional, AI-powered desk lamp. It's not just light, it tracks your posture, charges your phone wirelessly, syncs with your calendar, and even adjusts the brightness automatically based on your mood and lighting conditions. Imagine this: you're working late, and the lamp subtly shifts from white to warm as the hours roll by. It's tech meets ambience in the best possible way. Next up, a smartwatch that's pushing boundaries. We're talking next-gen health tracking, blood sugar analysis, real-time hydration reminders, and built-in AI coaching. This iSNT, just a fitness tool. It's a personal health assistant strapped to your wrist. And yep, it syncs directly to your smart fridge and even gives dietary recommendations. Welcome to the future of wellness. Now check out this pocket-sized projector with 4,000 support and built-in speakers. The size of a soda can, but powerful enough to turn any room into a cinema. Perfect for road trips, camping nights, or lazy Sundays at home. Just pop it out, connect your phone, and let Netflix do the rest. Here's something every smart home needs: the AI doorbell that recognizes your friends, alerts you about strangers, and even detects packages automatically. It's got face recognition, motion zones, and a built-in assistant that talks back. No more missed parcels or surprise visitors. Ever wanted to scan, copy, and translate text instantly from any surface? This next gadget is a game changer. A handheld scanner pen that lets you digitize handwritten notes, translate languages in real time, and even read aloud for visually impaired users. Small in size, big in impact, especially if you're a student or a frequent traveler. Next up, a smart mug that keeps your coffee or tea at the exact temperature you like all day long. And yes, it connects to your phone. Whether you're deep in work or on a video call, your drink stays perfect sip after sip. Bonus: it charges wirelessly and comes in matte black. Sleek and futuristic. Gaming fans, this one's for you. A modular gamepad that can reshape itself depending on the game you're playing. Racing, FPS, strategy, it adapts its buttons, layout, and even haptics instantly. This isn't just next-gen gaming, it's adaptive immersion. How about a wearable air purifier? Small, lightweight, and stylish, it creates a personal clean air bubble around your face. Perfect for urban commuters, allergy sufferers, or anyone who values fresh breathing space wherever they go. Now this one's for the productivity nerds. A foldable triple-screen laptop extender. Just clip it to your laptop, and boom. Triple your screen space for multitasking, content creation, or trading. Lightweight, portable, and absolutely insane for its price point. Finally, let's talk about this insane robot vacuum that mops, vacuums, self-empties, self-cleans, and even maps your home using LiDAR tech. It's basically the butler you didn't know you needed. It avoids cables, remembers pet zones, and you can schedule it all from your phone. Or just ask Alexa to take care of it. So, which gadget would you buy first? Or do you already own one of these futuristic tools?